Hey there, I'm back with the Staff Nurse Entrance Preparation Model Questions Session 1 of 2021 and we'll be starting part 1 of that session 1. So let's get into that. The value of G is 6.67 into 10 to power minus 8 Newton meter square per kg square, 6.67 into 10 to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square, 9.8 meter per second square, 10 meter per second square. So the correct answer is 6.67 into 10 to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. यो चाहिँ SI युनिट को भ्यालु भयो भने CGS युनिट मा चाहिँ भ्यालु अफ G कति हुन्छ त 6.67 into 10 to power minus 8 9 centimeter square per gram square. The device to convert AC to DC is transformer, rectifier, oscillator, dynamo. So the correct answer is rectifier. AC भनेको alternating current हो, DC भनेको direct current हो. So the device जसले चाहिँ convert गर्छ AC to DC त्यसलाई चाहिँ हामीले rectifier भन्छौं भने the device that converts DC to AC त्यसलाई चाहिँ हामीले oscillator भन्छौं. The minimum distance required for echo is 5 meter, 15 meter, 17 meter, 25 meter. So the correct answer is 17 meter. Echo भनेको के हो त? Echo भनेको चाहिँ repetition of sound waves हो due to reflection by distant objects. अनि for echo reflecting surface चाहिँ at least 17 meter far away हुनुपर्छ from the sound source. An instrument used to measure the thickness of thin plates is ammeter, sonometer, spherometer, hygrometer. So the correct answer is spherometer. Spherometer चाहिँ instrument हो जुन चाहिँ used हुन्छ to measure the thickness of thin plates. त्यस्तै ammeter भनेको चाहिँ instrument हो जुन चाहिँ used हुन्छ to measure the strength of an electric current. Sonometer भनेको चाहिँ device हो जुन चाहिँ used हुन्छ to study the velocity of sound. र hygrometer भनेको चाहिँ instrument हो that is used to measure the relative humidity. A machine raises a load of 600 Newton through distance of 10 cm by an effort of 200 Newton, which moves through 1 meter. The efficiency of machine is 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%. So the correct answer is 30%. Efficiency भनेको के हो त? Load into load distance upon effort into effort distance into 100%. Load भनेको 600 Newton into अनि load distance भनेको 10 cm छ. यसलाई मिटरमा लादाखेरि कति हुन्छ 0.1 मिटर upon 200 effort into effort distance भनेको 1 into 100 गर्दाखेरि कति आउँछ 30%. So efficiency of machine is 30%. What is the molecular formula of auric chloride? AuCl, AuBr3, AuCl3, AuBr. So the correct answer is AuCl3. Molecular formula of auric chloride चाहिँ AuCl3 हो भने यदि molecular formula of aurous chloride सोधेको भए चाहिँ कति हुन्थ्यो त AuCl. Which gas is used in fire extinguisher to extinguish fire? Carbon dioxide, ammonia, hydrogen, helium. So the correct answer is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide gas चाहिँ used हुन्छ in fire extinguisher to extinguish fire. German silver is an alloy of gold plus copper, gold plus zinc, copper plus zinc plus nickel, copper plus silver plus zinc. So the correct answer is copper plus zinc plus nickel. Alloy भनेको चाहिँ के हो त? यो चाहिँ homogeneous mixture हो of two or more metals or a metal and a non-metal. अनि German silver चाहिँ alloy of के हो त? Copper, zinc र nickel. The increasing size of particle is solution, colloid, suspension, colloid, solution, suspension, suspension, colloid, solution, colloid, suspension, solution. So the correct answer is solution, colloid, suspension. Solution भनेको चाहिँ के हो त? Homogeneous mixture हो जसको size of particle चाहिँ less than 1 nanometer हुन्छ. त्यस्तै colloid पनि homogeneous mixture नै हो तर यसको size चाहिँ कति हुन्छ त? Between 1 nanometer to 0.1 micrometer. अनि suspension को चाहिँ size कति हुन्छ त? यसको size चाहिँ greater हुन्छ than 0.1 micrometer. त्यही भएर orderly जाने हो भने कुन चाहिँ सबैभन्दा सानो हुन्छ त? Solution, त्यसपछि ठुलो colloid, त्यसपछि ठुलो suspension. त्यही भएर correct option भनेको A को. Dot is manufactured by heating the mixture of silica, calcium carbonate and potassium carbonate. Hard glass, flint glass, quartz glass, water glass. So the correct answer is hard glass. Hard glass चाहिँ manufactured गरिन्छ by heating the mixture of silica, potassium carbonate र calcium carbonate. Hard glass लाई चाहिँ potash lime glass पनि भनिन्छ र यो glass चाहिँ used हुन्छ to make lab apparatus. Wriggler is the larva of mosquito, silkworm, frog, cockroach. So the correct answer is mosquito. Mosquito को larva लाई चाहिँ के भनिन्छ त wriggler भनिन्छ भने silkworm को larva लाई के भनिन्छ caterpillar. Which animal shows the connecting link between plant and animal? Euglena, hydra, starfish, octopus. So the correct answer is euglena. Euglena मा चाहिँ के हुन्छ त animal भए पनि chlorophyll चाहिँ present हुन्छ. त्यही भएर euglena चाहिँ animal हो that shows the connecting link between plant and animal. The study of snakes is ornithology, exobiology, ophiology, entomology. So the correct answer is ophiology. Ophiology भनेको चाहिँ के हो त study of snakes हो. Ornithology भनेको चाहिँ study of birds. Exobiology भनेको चाहिँ study of life on other planets हो भने entomology भनेको चाहिँ के हो त study of insects. Coiled like cell of snail which is found in internal ear is known as vestibule, semicircular canal, cochlea, none. So the correct answer is cochlea. Cochlea चाहिँ coiled like cell of snail हो जुन चाहिँ internal ear मा present हुन्छ. Cochlea ले चाहिँ sound receive गर्छ in the form of vibrations. The term ecology was coined by Schlegel, Odum, Tansley, Rater. So the correct answer is Rater. Ecology term चाहिँ Rater ले coin गरेको हो भने ecosystem word चाहिँ कसले coin गरेको हो त A.G. Tansley. The rock formed from magma is igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic, all of the above. So the correct answer is igneous. Igneous rock चाहिँ formed हुन्छ from magma. Sedimentary rock चाहिँ कसरी form हुन्छ चाहिँ यो चाहिँ formed हुन्छ by the accumulation or deposition of small particles र subsequent cementation of mineral or organic particles on floor of oceans or other bodies of water at earth's surface. त्यस्तै metamorphic rock चाहिँ formed हुन्छ from igneous or sedimentary or early metamorphic rocks. Means of erosion and deposition are ocean tide, wind and air, rain, all. So the correct answer is all of the above. Means of erosion and deposition चाहिँ ocean tide, wind and air, rain दुई सबै हो. Erosion र deposition भनेको के हो त simple term मा erosion भनेको चाहिँ process हो by which water, ice, wind or gravity ले चाहिँ move गर्छ fragments of rock र soil. त्यस्तै deposition भनेको चाहिँ के हो त process by which sediment चाहिँ settles हुन्छ out of the water or wind that is carrying out and it deposited in another new location. The process of conversion of dead organic remains into ammonia by the action of bacteria is ammonification, nitrification, denitrification, none. So the answer is ammonification. Ammonification मा चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि remains बाँकी भएको dead organic proteins हरू चाहिँ convert हुन्छ ammonia by the action of bacteria. साथै nitrification भनेको चाहिँ conversion हो of ammonium salts into nitrites र nitrates by the action of soil bacteria. त्यस्तै denitrification भनेको चाहिँ के हो त nitrates हरू चाहिँ freely decomposed हुने हो into nitrogen. Which of the following planet is called dwarf planet? Pluto, Venus, Jupiter, Moon. So the correct answer is Pluto. Pluto लाई चाहिँ dwarf planet भनिन्छ. Dwarf planet भनेको चाहिँ के हो त celestial body that orbits sun, has enough mass to assume a nearly round shape, has not cleared neighborhood around its orbit and is not a moon. So यो characteristics हरू चाहिँ Pluto को भएको भएर Pluto लाई चाहिँ dwarf planet भनेको हो. Which is the largest constellation? Ursa Major, Crux, Hydra, Orion. So the correct answer is Hydra. Hydra चाहिँ largest constellation हो भने Crux चाहिँ smallest constellation हो. That's it for today's session. We practiced 20 sets of questions जुन चाहिँ science को थियो. Next 20 sets of questions We'll be practicing on coming Tuesday, so stay tuned. अनि प्लिज रिफर द प्र्याक्टिस सेट अफ क्वेसन्स अफ 2020 पनि त्यसको लिङ्क चाहिँ म डिस्क्रिप्सन बक्समा पनि राखिदिन्छु. टिल देन स्टे सेफ, टेक केयर एन्ड बाई बाई.